We all get to a point in our life where the curiosity inside us starts to ask, what is the point of life? Why are we here? Are we alone in this universe? In our last lesson, we learned that light has to travel a distance to get to a point. The speed that it travels at is 186,300 miles every second. We also learned that the light of the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to get to Earth. Our sun is a star just like all the other stars you see in the night sky. If we were to look at it from a very far distance, it would look just like one of those other stars. Because light has to travel to reach us, everything you've witnessed in this world has already happened by the time you have seen it. Because light travels so fast, you just won't be able to measure it using one of those cheapy smartwatches from eBay. Our current level of physics tells us that nothing can exceed the speed of light. Do you remember Einstein? No, that's Frankenstein. Einstein was an amazing mathematician and worked out that according to nature's laws, you will never be able to get past the barrier of 186,300 miles per second, which is the speed of light. No, not even if you press the accelerator on your old Cortina right to the floor. You must have heard the term light year. Do you know what that is? No, it's not the year where you hardly eat any food because you want to go on a diet. It describes the distance that light will travel in 1 year. Remember we said that light travels 186,300 miles in 1 second? Well, in 1 year it travels nearly 6 million miles. So 6 million miles is 1 light year. Because the universe is so big, it's too difficult to measure the distance of the other stars using kilometers and miles. Don't even think of using centimeters. Instead, we measure things using the distance that light would have traveled in 1 year. We measure things in light years. One of the furthest objects in our solar system is the dwarf planet Pluto. Well, it takes just over 4.5 hours for the sun's light to reach Pluto. Imagine if you were a very tiny little creature that could sit on top of a light particle that comes out of a really powerful torch. When they turn that torch on, that light particle will be speeding like mad towards Pluto with you sitting on it. You will have to sit on it for 4 hours before you reach Pluto. Let's hope you're not sitting in economy class. What happens once you go past Pluto? Beyond Pluto, you are reaching the edge of our solar system and going into the empty vastness of space. Our next nearest neighbor beyond our solar system is the star Proxima Centauri. No, that is not a character from the Gladiator movie. This star is bigger than our sun. Remember our little creature sitting on the light particle, traveling at 186,300 miles per second? Well, he took 4 hours to reach Pluto. As he hurtles past Pluto, he will be traveling another 4 whole years before he gets to Proxima Centauri. Can you believe that? Light takes 4.2 years to reach our nearest star, Proxima Centauri. That means that star is 4.2 light years away. Remember what we said, that as far as we know, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light? Well, our rockets can only go so fast. If we tried using one of them to get to Proxima Centauri, you are looking at a wait of around 80,000 years before you get there. You'll probably end up looking like this by the time you get there. Are we alone in this universe? Join me again for some more space science classes. Remember, keep looking at the sky. It's amazing and you never know what you might see.
Coca-Cola to outer space to teach science to another race. Sending Coca-Cola to outer space to teach science to another race.